Stop by and take a look at the 2022 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, inside you'll find rear view camera, lane departure warning, trip computer, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.